If you're looking to manage your clients effectively, SuiteDash CRM might have crossed your radar. But how can you truly leverage the software to boost your client management? Stick around, and I'll walk you through the key features of SuiteDash that will help you get the most out of it, plus a couple of alternatives that might actually work better for your needs. Let's dive in. The first thing you need to understand about SuiteDash CRM is how it integrates your client communication and project management in one place. SuiteDash isn't just a CRM, it's a full business management tool. From lead capture to client invoicing, everything's streamlined. But here's the thing, though it sounds great, some users find it a bit overwhelming. If you're a solo entrepreneur or a small team, the all-in-one nature of SuiteDash could feel like a bit much. But if you've got a medium to large client base, this level of depth could actually save you time. Next thing, the dashboard. Once you get past the learning curve, SuiteDash's dashboard can be a real time saver. You can track client projects, set reminders, and see the status of everything at a glance. However, there are mixed reviews on how user-friendly it is. Some clients appreciate the customization options, but others feel that it's a bit too complex for quick everyday tasks. If you're looking for something super intuitive, SuiteDash may require some patience. The third thing you need to know is SuiteDash's client portal. This feature allows clients to log in, check on their projects, and communicate with you without clogging up your email inbox. It's a great tool, but if you've got clients who aren't tech-savvy, they may find it a bit complicated to use. Plus, some users report that setting it up can be time-consuming. So, while the client portal is a fantastic feature, it may not be the smoothest experience for all clients. The fourth thing is automation. SuiteDash provides plenty of options to automate your business processes, whether that's sending out emails or generating invoices. However, while automation is powerful, some users feel it's a bit too rigid for more complex workflows. If you're running a business with very specific or dynamic needs, you might find the automation a little limiting. And lastly, pricing. SuiteDash is not the cheapest option out there. It offers different pricing tiers depending on your business size, but for smaller businesses or startups, the cost might not justify the features, especially when you consider the learning curve. If you're on a tighter budget or just need basic CRM capabilities, there are more affordable alternatives that might fit your needs better. Now, before I wrap up, here's a crucial point. SuiteDash CRM is a strong contender, but there are a few alternatives out there that might work better depending on your goal of managing clients effectively. Tools like HubSpot CRM or Zoho CRM offer similar features with a more streamlined user experience and a lower price tag. So, depending on your specific needs, it might be worth exploring those options. Before I finish, I want to let you know that if you're considering SuiteDash CRM, we've got an exclusive, extended free trial available through the link in the description. But as I mentioned, I've also included some amazing alternatives that might actually suit your needs better for client management, and they also offer free trials. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Make sure to check that out.